हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू श्री आर के मित्रा एकेडमी। आप सबको स्वागत है श्री आर के मित्रा एकेडमी पर। आई एम उमेश। आई एम डीलिंग अ सब्जेक्ट बिजनेस लॉ फॉर बीकॉम फाइनल ईयर्स। In this first session, we are going to learn a unit first introduction of a business law, introduction of a business law, introduction of a contract, meaning and definition of a business law, meaning and definition of contract. Here we do learn in first session. Let's start. Before going to start, business law introduction. What is the business? Business क्या है? And what is the law? Let's start. The term business is a complex field of commerce and industry in which goods and services are created or produced and distributed, and their main aim of a business to make a profit. जो कि business किस लिए कराया जाता है? To make a profit. Yes, it is a complex field. It is not a small thing. ये जो कि छोटा चीज नहीं, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे काम रहते हैं। इट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फील्ड। यहाँ पर सभी गुड्स क्रिएट किया जाता है, प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है और फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के बाद हमारे को मिलता है प्रॉफिट। दैट इज व्हाट अ बिजनेस। एंड व्हाट इज अ लॉ? एंड व्हाट इज द लॉ? लेट्स सी, लेट्स चेक। द टर्म लॉ, इट इज द बॉडी ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स। प्रिंसिपल्स इट इज नथिंग बट अ rules and regulation recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice. Law, it is a set of rules and regulation. It is created for what? To take a justice. Yes, to make a justice. It is applied by the state in the administration of justice. Law, rules and regulation. Why it is made? To take a justice. Yes, that is what a business, and that is what the term law. Let's move to what is a business law. Meaning of a business law. Business law is the body of legal system. Business law क्या है? हमारा एक legal system है जो कि guarantees देता है and orderly to conduct a business affairs, जो कि गारंटीज देता है टू कंडक्ट बिजनेस अफेयर्स। यहाँ पर कुछ धोखा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि लॉफुल लीगली वी हैव अ लॉ दैट वी कैन मेक अ हेल्प ऑफ देम। बाय द हेल्प ऑफ लॉ वी कैन मेक अ बिजनेस अफेयर्स एंड इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प द सेटलमेंट ऑफ डिस्प्यूट, लेजिटिमेट डिस्प्यूट्स इन जस्ट अ मैनर। जो भी हमारा झगड़ा है, whatever which related to business quarrel is there, it is clear by what? Business law it is. Okay, it established what? A set of rules and prescribed to conduct in order to avoid misunderstanding. किस लिए बनाया जाता है? Rules and regulation to avoid misunderstanding, निकालने के लिए। जो भी हमारे बिजनेस में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स रहते हैं वो निकालने के लिए, और एंड इंजरी इन अवर बिजनेस रिलेशनशिप, जो भी हमारे बिजनेस रिलेशनशिप में जो भी इंजरीज है, मीन्स समथिंग का क्वारल, इट इज रिलेटेड टू अग्रीमेंट, इट इज रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस, इट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ लॉ इट मे अवॉइड एंड इट विल बी अवॉइड मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड इंजरी in business relationship. So we have to follow what? Business law. What are the business law? We have to follow that. So this is what a business law. Let's move to a definition of a business law. So what it's saying, definition. The business law can be defined as is the body of law, rules, regulation that governs, means runs business and commercial transaction. It is a set of rules and regulation that runs business and commercial transaction. It is what a definition of a business law. It may ask for 2 marks, so simple you have to write business law is the body of law, rules and regulation that governs business commercial transaction. This is what? Business law. Let's move to what is a contract. Contract, it is nothing but an agreement which is related to parties. Yes, let's see. A contract could be defined as an agreement which intends to create lawful legal obligation. It is in a legal way, it is in a lawful way. A contract which is a contract in lawful agreement. Yes, in between the parties, it should be in between the parties, which intends to create a lawful legal obligation between the parties. A contract is nothing but a what? It is an agreement which is made by the parties. And what are the essential of an agreement? Is that there should be an agreement between two parties or more parties. Agreement में क्या चाहिए? Parties चाहिए. ये parties के बिना नहीं हो सकता. जो भी agreement चाहिए यहाँ पर ऑफर देने वाला रहना चाहिए और एक्सेप्ट करने वाला रहना चाहिए. यहाँ से 2 से 3 पार्टीज मिलके या फिर मोर पार्टीज मिलके अग्रीमेंट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो व्हाट आर द एसेंशियल? फर्स्ट एसेंशियल इट शुड बी बिटवीन 2 और मोर पार्टीज and the agreement is normally constituted by one party making an offer. एक पार्टी जो कि ऑफर करना है और एक पार्टी को एक्सेप्ट करना है, तब जाके एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनता है. That will be shaking hand. So it is making a contract with them. That is what a contract. And what is the meaning of a contract? Let's see meaning of a contract and a definition of contract. A contract is a legally binding document. Actual में क्या है ये? एक document है which is prepared, which have a rules and regulations which have done a signature. सिग्नेचर किया हुआ डॉक्यूमेंट है जो कि पार्टीज मिलके ये हमारे रूल्स है, ये हमारे रेगुलेशंस है जो कि बिजनेस रन करने के लिए राइट्स ड्यूटीज बनाए गए हैं बिटवीन द पार्टीज टू मेक द अग्रीमेंट. ये बिजनेस करने के लिए अग्रीमेंट जो कि ड्यूटीज रूल्स रेगुलेशन सभी सेट ऑफ करके रिकॉग्नाइज करके एक बाइंडिंग डॉक्यूमेंट कराया हुआ एक डॉक्यूमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. इट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Let's see what is the definition of a contract. According to Pollack, every agreement, हर एक agreement and promise enforceable at law is a contract. जो भी हम बात करके एक वादा दे रहे, प्रॉमिस कर रहे, it is also a contract. हर एक agreement जो कि Pollack बोलता है, every agreement and promise enforceable at law is a contract करके. Yes, it is obviously. When we are talking, it should be a lawful. When it is a lawful, then it is called a contract. When we are promising, it should be a lawful, then it is a contract. So according to Pollack, it is a simple definition is there for 2 marks. Just read it. Simple is there. Every agreement and promise enforceable at law is a contract. Thank you so much, guys. This is our first session of a business law we have conducted. In second session, we going to learn that is kinds of a contract. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So for motivation, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.